Okay, well, welcome to day 16. We got up there today and the truck was up there finally. After all these, well, actually weeks, the truck finally made it up. So the little dumper job was down close to town. And Jaime was some kind of happy to have this guy. So the guy did trips. He brought in a load of rocks, first thing. And then he just spent the whole day doing trips up this crazy steep road. And I was trying to get it so that you could tell how steep that was. I thought, the first time I saw him go up it, I thought, that guy's going to do a wheelie. But he didn't. You can tell where there's wetter spots, and he sinks down in there, and yeah. So anyway, so here he's going up. I don't know how many trips he made. I saw at least a dozen piles, probably closer to 20. And that past there is always wet. Then up there you can tell, I didn't go down in close to see, but you can see the trench they made. They covered the rocks with plastic. And I guess they're going to cover it all up. I don't know. But the job today was to continue to take all the dirt. Now the dirt that's down on the bottom side of the road, back up here. So they have taken tons of that dirt, the mudslide up here. And of course, all this was canyon before. And I chatted with the trucker. He was quite impressed with the drone. I said, I'm gonna make you go a lot faster. So Jaime will show him the link today, and he's gonna see himself with a turbo on his truck right about now. There he goes. He'd have done a lot faster. Jaime said he'd have been done in an hour if he could have done everything that fast. There he goes. Okay, that's it for today. Take care.